Well, hello, hello. February is upon us, and I have a great video just coming up right in a little bit about the Paper Pumpkin January alternates. Anyhow, I have been a little busy with being sick, not by choice, but it means that when I was working, I didn't take time off. So thank you for your patience and hanging in there to this channel. I appreciate your support and I love, love, love the comments. So just hold on and we'll get to the video. Well, hey, Stampin' friends, Darlene with Darling Stamps. So we are braving the cold weather here in Murray, Kentucky. And I thought I would take some time and do, while my lamp is still working right, and do some alternates. So what a cute Valentine. They try to do this every January so you get prepped for Valentine's and giving Valentines maybe for the grandkids or your kids. But great instructions. Everything comes pre-punched. This is the cute little pillow that I made using just a sample they had, and I used the dimensionals to pop that up because it's kind of a oval, a shape that doesn't lay flat very well. So anyhow, but I wanted to show some alternates because not everybody is crazy about doing treat bags or treat boxes or something. So as cute as these are, it's always fun to make cards with them because a lot of us like making cards. So anyhow, so what I did was I took the Wild About You, which is the coordinating set that they kind of pin this off of, and there's a little kangaroo. We have a little koala there, or kangaroo guy inside. To me, it looks like a koala, but anyhow. And so, so they kind of made a suite out of it. So I took our little giraffe guy, Wild About You, and the little frog on the bamboo, and then I turned the little pocket that these come in, which is, so turned this and basically just cut it down, and the little crease kind of hides with the kangaroo guy in there, but very simple, not a lot of layers. I did pop this up just so it has some dimension on it, plus the little hearts from the giraffe because they are wild about, and then I'll pop the inside with that. So I'm going to go ahead and I want to show it primarily because I thought techniques sometimes get it's not like you guys are lacking for technique because a lot of you card people know how to do this stuff. So I did use soft suede. I wanted to not put a lot of pink in it since it might be for a little boy coming up. Anyhow, got my giraffe and I want to get him positioned. Make sure I got enough ink on that. Make sure I get enough position on there. I just did a ha on there, if that makes sense. You know, when you stamp and you want to make sure there is enough moisture, you can do a ha, which is, it probably sounds weirder than it is. Oh, and I got one of the boogers. Anyhow, my brain just went blank what it's called, but it really cleans it well. It's a new cleaning method. All right, so we've got our little giraffe in there. Now we are going to, I want to get this down because I don't want to get my Wild About You too far up on the page. Oops, I got my corner in there. Then this, I just want to make sure I put that right down. Oh, I want to flip it because if I can hide some of the seam, I'll be better off. And my little kangaroo guy will be on there. Now, I can get the Wild About You and put that right about there. I think it's a chamois. There we go. Chamois. All right. I should know that. But, you know, when you work your brain kind of has already been spent. So I've been really kind of behind. I'm still sticking with the one a week. I got to keep what's manageable. I got a lot of irons in the fire, so I'm still sticking with one, but I want to make sure that I get this all sorted. Okay, so we've got that covered, and there it is. Then I have, you may or may not know about the self-healing mats, and what I was wanting to do was, it has a little pouch here, and I want it to, let me get it popped so I know where it's at. I want to put the heart inside of it, kind of sticking out. So I thought I tried doing it on the other side, and oh, it just made a mess. And I'm going to hide most of it, but and then I want to take the heart, and I'm going to stick the heart inside his little pouch. So let me get a dab of glue. You know, I needed to get some more of this glue from Mambo, but they don't ship it in the wintertime because it gets cold. So anyhow, I'm going to start packing a little bit of these hearts around so that most of the parts of my cutting little pouch will be hidden. You know, you can kind of hide your little, I wouldn't call it mistakes because I really had an idea. There we go. Okay. And then I decided, since I already had some popped up on the card, I didn't want to do a whole lot, because if I mail this, my idea is that, see, if you put the card in this way in the envelope, when it runs through the machine, there's not going to be a whole lot of thickness here, so this could kind of, you can get away with the regular stamp on that. So that's my thought. All right, and now, okay, so that is my little idea. All right, so now I did a couple of extras just because, I don't know, just to kind of give you some ideas. So using the same concept of the little kangaroo, I flipped and used the rhinoceros. Rhinoceros? Oh, I don't know where that came from. Rhinoceros. And used the green, or the background from the pillows for balloons. And then a solid balloon, I popped that up. Just used the blue, pull part into there. Did my blend to kind of shadow where he's sitting. And then there's little hearts that come in this great stamp set. There's little birds in here. There's you for you, my friend, to and from, love you. You're so fly. I guess because the two little birds in there, and there's little hearts. Be my Valentine, happy Valentine's Day, and of course the little chameleon. So anyhow, I thought that would be just a spin-off of the happy birthday. The rhinoceros don't come in the kit, but they come in the stamp set. So I thought that would be a good little match. And then I took the idea of the little chameleons and took a background. Can you see the leaves? I embossed the background and then took the each side, the blue side of the kit and then the pink side. Just took pieces of that and made the layers on that. Took some of my leaf punch, popped up this with the same color as the base, and then little heart for bling, and then little stamps. So that I thought was really a neat, different way using the set. And then this one's my special one, kind of I guess my favorite, because I did a great technique, which I will show you. I did some playing with our pattern party decorative mats, and this is the mat. This is the embossing paste, And I took that, laid across here, and this, you can't tell, but you can still sure feel it. And I dyed it with our reinkers. I did the rich raspberry paper and the ribbon. And then I dyed the paste, made my pattern. So this literally is a great, great background. And then punched out some hearts in the same type of matching paper. This is from a different set, but a little kangaroo guy and a heart in his pouch, and thank you big time. Anyhow, I love the little frog in the branch. Anyhow, so this is my little alternates, just something different, but wanted to get out there, get a video to you guys, and share some love. So hope you have a good Valentine's. I will talk to you before Valentine's Day, but wanted to get out the paper pumpkin and get some ideas. I'm going to be doing a video on that embossing because this embossing paste is really a wow factor. So I want to show some techniques on that. Anyhow, hope you had a great day, a great time sharing some inspiration with me. And if you do not have a demonstrator, I would so love being a creative coach friend to you, because we can share ideas, we can share sometimes the creative juices get just a going when you have someone who can bounce off ideas. So anyhow, if you have a comment or suggestion, please leave it down in the comments down below, and I try to give a description as far as what I used and supplies and everything, so feel free to look at or shop with me online. Have a great day. God bless you. Bye.